Hey Brett, so we're inside of the JCB 18. We've got your safety lever right here, which allows you to be able to activate your boom and be able to move. Here's your tracks movement right here. On the left side is your articulating boom. So if you press left, it's gonna make the articulating boom turn left. If you press right, it's gonna make your boom go to the right. On the right-hand side is where you have your hydraulic flow. So left and right either opens and closes your hydraulic thumb or whatever implement you're using at the time. You've got your blade right here that goes up and down, your throttle as well. Got a couple options here. Here's your gauges. And then your seat's in pretty awesome condition as well. And then your hour meter is here.